So first just see in these questions, you know, just see interface 4K into 2 4K into 2 4K into 8.
8.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It is nothing but a ROM, and 2 4K into 8 RAM. Is it clear?
Hmm.
If you can remember, I am explaining you in the in 2 days or 3 days back, that is the BHE, full form of BHE, and you know the function of BHE bar. Can you recall this one?
Yes, sir.
It is the picture actually. You can see from my copy. So every total memory are dividing into the two part. One is called
Uh,
odd or high bank. Another is called even or
even and
Low bank.
low bank. Is it
even
clear?
bank and low bank. Yes,
So
sir.
total memory are always dividing into the two parts. So whenever you are interfacing in 8086, remember always the two ICs is required. One is for odd bank and another is for even bank. With respect to 8085 we can easily install, you know, one memory chip, but in 8086 you always required is it like a pair. You say just you know, in these questions you see two 4K into 8 RAMs and two 4K into 8 RAMs. It not never it's a only one 4K into 8 RAM and only one 4K into 8 RAM. Is always in a pair of two. It may be two, it may be four, it may be, you know, six, it may be eight, something like that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So one coming for the odd banking and another is coming for even banking. That's why we need two type, you know, two memory chip at a time. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Very good. So now the question is, what is a two 4K into two 4K into two? What does it mean? It means 8K.
Hmm.
And why into 8? All of you know.
Yes, sir.
Memory chip should be have
Hmm.
8 data bus.
Hmm.
8 data bus, right? And what are the functions of these 8K? So what is the 8K meaning? 8K is equal to how much? 8 into
8 into
1K.
1024.
Yeah, is equal to
1024.
2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 10 is equal to 2 to the power
10, 13.
13. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
13 address lines directly connected. Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Remember, you know, for 8085, if you recall 8085, if address is not given, so what are the starting address of ROM and what are the starting address of RAM?
The ROM starting address 0000
Very
and
good. 0000H. And RAM
RAM
is
starting
reverse
address
ending address FFFH. Am I right?
FFH.
FFF.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why? Because at reset condition, program counter set at 0000H. At reset condition, program counter set at 0000H. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At reset condition, program counter set at 0000H. So this is nothing but a in, you know, eight concept of 8085. So what is the changing in 8086? In 8086, ROM always ending at FFFH, 5FH, and RAM always starting from 0000 H. But why it is a totally 180-degree different? Means in just reverse with respect to 8085 is the reverse. The question is why it's a reverse? Why not is a similar? My question is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So,
So because it's the higher version
huh?
from 8, because 8086 is the higher version from 8085.
No, it's a not. Anything else? Only reset condition program counter set at FFFF0H. At reset condition over here is 0000H. At reset condition over here FFFF0H. Means it's assuming that reset condition the value should be the ROM locations. Should be the ROM locations. Is it clear? Should be
Yes,
ROM
sir.
locations.
ROM location.
That's why as program counter 0000H, that's why ROM starting from 0000H. As program counter
Then
FFFF0,
reset
that's why
condition.
ROM ending at FFFFH. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what are the content of ROM? Can you tell me what are the content of ROM? Devajyoti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Hello, what is the why you know what are the content of ROM? In your computer also there is a ROM.
Sir,
ROM always contain the OS, that is
OS.
operating system.
Yes.
You cannot delete. It can be used as a monitoring program. It can be used, for the different purpose. That's why ROM is nothing but a OS kind of things. So at the time of reset, program counter should be set at that particular location where where your ROM is there, where is your OS is there, where is your operating system is there, where is your monitoring program is there. Am I right?
Yes.
That's why over here is completely different. So now coming into the solutions. So for 8K we need how much of address lines? 13.
13.
So that's why you can see that is the starting address of ROM FFFFH. That is the ending address. Okay. Then just see there is a there is a after A12 there is a dotted line.
Yes, sir.
After there is a dotted line.
Yes, sir.
I given you a request. Please accept it, Ankit.
Yes, sir.
You can see my arrow.
No, sir.
You can see my arrow. No.
No, sir.
No. Okay. You can see over here. Just see that
Yes,
there is
sir.
a dotted line, right?
Yes, sir.
So this dotted line means A0 to A12 will be changed. So A0 to A12 is automatically changed. Means all
Yes.
are 1 previously. So now it is all are 0.
0.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is a compulsory. ROM should be compulsory. So just see it is a FFFFF to FE000H. It is nothing but a converting into the hexadecimal. Okay. For RAM, you can do just over here is doing only subtract by 1. You can do as there is a no memory location is given, you can do from 000000H. As there is a no memory location, so you can do anything, but ROM should be within this, that is starting from FFFFH. So after that RAM is started, that's why you can see that FDFFFH means FE000 minus 1. So FE000 minus 1 means FE000 minus 1 means it will be coming FDFFFH. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can start from the 00000H, no issues for that. So again, all are there up to A12, it will be again 0. And the value will be coming FC000H. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, coming down. Just wait. Next, just see the diagram first. In this diagram, sir, but what are the memory chip over here? It's a memory chip of 4K.
4K.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how many there?
8.
2 4K into 8 RAM, 2 4K into 8 RAM, right? So size of the memory chip is 4K. 4K into 2, that's why it's I am calculating is for 8. But 4K, how many address lines will be there? It
13
becomes
address line,
12.
12 address.
12.
12 address line. Why, sir? I am calculating, sir, with 8K, but it will be like 4K. So only 12 address lines will be there, not 13. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That's why you just see ROM and RAM everywhere. It's connected with A1 to A12. So how many address lines connected? A1 to A12?
11 address line.
12.
No, 12 address lines.
12 address line.
12 address line. If it's A0 to A12, then it will be 13 address lines. But
13.
but we are connecting A1 to A12 means it's a 12 address lines. It's connected with respect to ROM and with respect to RAM. With respect to ROM over here and
Yes,
with respect
sir.
to RAM, that is over here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So ROM and RAM, right?
Yes, sir.
So just see A1 to A12 and over here A1 to A12. So for 4K, how many address lines? 12 address lines. So A1 to A12, 12 address lines is connected. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next question is, sir, where is A0? A0 I will be telling you in a different stage. What is the function of A0? A0 I will be telling you whenever I will be discuss about the odd and I am discussing about the even. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And there is a 4 CS, CS1, CS2, CS3 and CS4. I will be explaining you later on. But remember, so A0 is required for these kind of things, for odd even selections, and for CS3 and CS4 is similarly odd and even selections. Both the cases odd and even is there. Over here odd and even, over here
Yes, sir.
odd and even. Both the bank is there. For ROM2, for RAM2. That's why. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, sir, how many data bus will be there? Into how much?
7.
Sir, 8 data bus.
8 data bus. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, 8. Yes, sir.
Why it is 8? Because, sir, you can imagine, sir, in 8086 there is a 16 address bus. But why you are connecting the 8 data bus? My question is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
In 8086, how many address data lines?
In 8086, 12.
How many data bus?
So 16.
16 bit. But
16.
but the chip have 8 bit, remember.
8 bit.
So that's why just see the even bank are connected with D0 to D7, and odd bank means high bank
D8
is
to
connecting D8
D15.
to D15. Means the data bus also dividing into the two part. If I am explaining you in this picture, just you can see, you see even bank D0 to D7, odd bank D8 to D15. Okay, similar for RAM also. Similar for RAM also. You can see similar case for RAM also.
For higher bank, D8 to D15. For lower bank, D0 to
Means
D7.
again higher to higher, lower to lower.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So up to that the picture is clear to everyone. Why data bus is connected,
Yes, sir.
D0 to D7, D8 to D15. Maximum student doing the mistakes over here. So A1 to A12 connected with ROM and RAM, connected with ROM and RAM. Connected with ROM and RAM, that is A0 to A11, and over here A0 to A11, over here A0 to A11, over here A0 to A11. Just see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why, sir? Because 12 buses is there. Its name should be A0 to A11, but microprocessor connected with A1 to A11, right?
A12.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So remember these three things. Next, coming into the odd and even. Just see, sir, how many address lines are there for 8085 microprocessor? For 8086, how many address bus?
16 bit.
Address bus 8086.
20.
Huh?
20 bit.
8086 20 bit.
20 bit. Sir, if I am talking about the address range, at the address range, go up. একটু উপরে যাও. Just see. What are the chip select? From A13 to A19? A13 to A19, and all are basically 1.
1.
All are basically 1.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Coming down. Just see. This is a NAND gate. This is a NAND gate. Just see E1, E2, E3, all are connected. E1 and E2, it should be as active in low. So to active this decoder, 3-cross decoder, E1 and E2 should be 0 and E3 should be 1. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that's why A15, A6, A14, A15, A16, up to A19, all are connected through a NAND gate. So what will be happened? All the input, if all the input will be 1, then what will be the output? NAND gate. All the input is 1, then NAND gate.
So all
the input is 1. Then
This is A, B, and C. A, B, C. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is the AND gate? 0, 0?
Sir, it is 0, 0, 0, but
0.
1.
0, 1?
1.
0.
0.
1, 0?
0.
0. 1, 1?
1.
1. It's the AND gate. So what is the NAND gate? See,
1 TPL 1 0.
1,
1 1 1 0.
So if both the input 1, then output will be 0.
0.
If both the input is 1, then output will be 0, right?
0. Yes, sir.
So if
Yes, sir.
all the input is 1, then output will be
0.
0.
0.
Then output will be 0. So over here it will be 0. Over here it will be 0. Right? If it is a 0,
Yes, sir.
if it is 0, then E1 and E2 get 0, 0. And it's a 0. So after that E3, there is a NOT gate. So E3 will be 1.
So E3 will be 1.
Because it's connected with the NOT gate. So E3 will be 1.
Yes, sir.
So 0, 0, 1. So
E1
this decoder will be activated.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
স্যার এখানে যখন E1 E2 দিয়ে লো পাস করে আমার এখানে যখন ঢুকছে তখন ওটা লো আসছে ওখানে হাই হচ্ছে নট গেটের জন্য তাই তো?
Huh. The E3 will be 1.
হ্যাঁ
So this decoder will be active. This decoder will be active. Now the question is coming whether it is O0, O1, O2, O3, which one will be selected? Depend upon A0, A13 and BH bar. So combination of these three, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means 8 output will be there. There is a Y0 to Y1. So what will be the output? Tell me. It's a A13, A0 and BH bar.
B.
0, 0, 0 means Y0. Over here is O0, output 0. 0, 0, 1, it's a O1. Similarly, 1, 1, 1, it's a O7. Right?
Yes.
Is it clear?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. So condition is that if just going up, very good. Just think about for ROM. For ROM, it should be 1. A13 should be 1. For ROM, A13 should be 1. Am I right?
Yes sir.
From where you can get it, sir? You will be get it from over here. Sorry. You will be get it from over here. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
so
sir.
A13 should be 1. Next, depend upon it's a 0, it's a 0. Then both the bank means
High bank, low bank,
means
odd bank,
odd
Even.
and even bank.
and even bank.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes,
Odd
sir.
bank and even bank. Next, 1, 0, 1 means 1, 0, 1 means
1 means 5.
it's a, you can see, sir, there is a table BH bar and A0. Just see, sir. I already explained you. 0, 0 means both the bank. That's why I'm telling you, sir. 0, 0 both the bank. Okay. That's why I'm telling you 0, 0 both the bank. Next 0, 1. What is a 0, 1? Means it's a 1, 0. It's a
Low,
low bank means even bank.
even.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next
1, 0.
1, 1,
1,
0
0.
means
Means 1, 0. Mean odd.
odd bank. Just see 0, 1, it's a high bank. 0, 1, it's a high bank. I already explained you. So if 1, 1, 1, if 1, 1,
Negligible. No.
which bank? 1,
So
1
one
means
is the high bank.
no bank.
No
Koi bank
bank.
select
No
nahi.
bank.
There's a cross.
Uh-huh.
So this is also cross. Okay.
Yes sir.
So what is the value of this one? It's a 4. What is the value of this one? It's a 5.
5,
It's a 6. 4, 5, 6.
6,
Okay.
6.
So remember 4 is a common. 5, 4 and 5. Anyone is, high, then even bank will be selected. Either 4 is 0 or 5 is 0. Either output is Y0 or Y4 or Y5. If anyone is 0, then corresponding even bank will be selected. Or means for 4 means are both the bank. 5 means sir even bank. So any one of them is 0, then even bank is selected. And 4 and 6, any one is 0, then odd bank is selected. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because at the time of 4, both the bank, odd bank and even bank. At the time of 5, only even bank. So for even bank, 4 required or 5 required. For odd bank, either 4 required and 6 required. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So next, just go down. Just see, there is a AND gate. There is a AND gate. 4 and 6. If anyone is 0, then the output will be 0. Similarly, odd bank will be selected. Just go up. You can see 4 and 5. If anyone is 0, then even bank is selected. Because AND gate means, what will be the condition of AND gate? Just see this one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0,
Only
0.
1 would be 1.
Means 1, 1 is not possible. Means 0, 0, any one of them is 0, then output will be 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why 4, 5 AND gate and 4, 6 is AND gate. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
if
sir.
I am talking about the RAM, then what will be the value of A13? Value of A13 is for RAM.
Yes.
What is the value of A13? 0. Just I am given a mark.
0.
Yes, sir.
0 over here and 0 over here. So means it's a chip select. Rest all are will be same. No issue. Only A13 will be 0. So A13 is 0 means A13, A0 and BAEC bar. Means 0, 0, 0 हो सकता है, 0, 0, 1 हो सकता है, 0, 1, 0 हो सकता है, 0, 1, 1 हो सकता है. तो इसके लिए no bank will be selected according to the previous. इसके लिए कौन सा बैंक सिलेक्शन होगा? Which bank will be selected?
Both high and low.
Both high and low. Very good. Odd or
Or
even.
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 For this one?
Then even.
For this one? 0, 0, 1. Similar like that.
So
Odd.
even.
Odd.
Even bank.
Okay, 0, 0, 1, even.
Then odd.
Then odd bank. So what is the value of this one? 0, 0, 0 means 0.
0.
0, 0, 1 means
1,
1. 0, 1, 0 means
2.
2. So one combinations will be creating using 0 and 1. If any one is 0, then even bank will be selected. And 0 and 2, if anyone is selected, then odd bank will be selected. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0 and 1, anyone is selected, then even bank. 0 and 2, then there is a odd bank. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So just go down, you will be get similar kind of things. Just see 0 and the marking 1. 0 and 2, anyone is selected, then CS3. 0 and 1 is anyone is selected, then CS4. CS3, just go up. Just go up. CS3 means connected with odd bank. CS4 means connected with even bank.
Even bank.
Just whatever I say, 0 and 1 means even bank connected. 0 and 2 means odd bank connected. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So similar memory interfacing, some is there. You just go through it. I will not explain more. If you have any difficulties, please come up with.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? This diagram,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
queries
sir.
if you have, you can ask me. Why, sir, this one is there? Why, sir, is not this one is there? And connected with memory read with read bar, memory write with write bar,
Right,
read bar,
but
write bar. This is common. OE bar connected with the memory read. This is common for in 8085 and 8086 also. No issues for that. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, go down. There is another diagram. Similar some diagram will be there. You just go through it and you will be do it accordingly. This is 5.2. There is another 2 chip. Again 2 chip 16K into 8 and 2 chip of 32K into 8. Their memory is different. 32 means 64. Remember, 32 means 64. According to that, the diagram will be also changed. Okay, go down. So just see. Just see. Sir, 216K into 8 means how much? 216K into 8 means how much?
2 to the power
How much?
16.
2 into 16K means how much? 32.
32.
32K. So 32K means what will be 2 to the power? Tell me.
2 to the 5.
Huh? 15.
15.
32K. 32
Uh-huh.
into 1K is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 10 is equal to 2 to the power 15.
15.
15.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2 to the power 15. So again, A02, how much? A14 will be unchanged. Okay? Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Just go up. Just see the dotted line.
32 KB, 64 KB, 32 KB 1, 64 KB RAM.
Up to A02, A14 is changed, A15 is unchanged. Okay? A15 is unchanged. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next, sir, this is 232 into 32K. 232K. So what is the 232K means? 232K means 64K.
64K. 64K.
Very good.
huh?
64K means 2 to the power how much?
30. 16.
Just
बस
32 you have 2 to the power 15. So
into
into
2.
2.
What
That
है?
is
Into
16.
2.
So for 32K means nothing but is it's a RAM. So 16 means A02 how much? A02
A15.
A15 unchanged. So A16 will be changed. Just see
Yes,
X
sir.
is changed. A16 will be unchanged. Rather than that, all are changed. Just see over here in this example, memory location is not given, but it's starting from ROM is FFFFH. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But RAM
Yes.
starting from
RAM
Zero
starting from
FFFF.
00000H. Okay.
Yes, sir.
RAM starting from 0000H means it's not starting from F8000 minus 1 means F7 FFF not starting from that. It's starting from 00000H. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
This is ideal. This is ideal. Always we are starting RAM from the 00000H and RAM ending at
ROM.
ROM ending at FFFFFH. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So just if I'm talking about, then you will be again just go down again this picture. You see A1 to A14, A1 to A14 are connected with A0 to A13. Again, you can see A1 to A14 is connected with A0 to A13. Similarly, because A0 connected directly. Similarly, for odd bank and even bank, it's a odd bank means high bank. That's why D8 to D15. It's a even bank. That's why D0 to D7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for RAM
Yes.
also odd bank. That's why D8 to D15. Even bank. That's why D0 to D7. Similarly, A1 to A15 and A0 to A14. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So memory interfacing, I think it's over. You just go through it. How many example is there? You will be, I think you will be definitely get it. No issues for that. Whatever the discussions I already offer. If any queries, if you have, you
Okay,
can
sir.
ask me tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, go to the interfacing interrupt service routine. Go to the interrupt service routine. No, not over here. I think it will be. I think it will be available. Maybe just go in a front page, index page. You will be get it. I think previous of that. I think previous of that. Interrupt service routine. There is a big table is there. Interrupt. UPT.
129 page. 129 page. Sir, interrupt service routine, na?
Yes, yes, yes.
So 129 page.
Go down. Oh, that's it. That's it. No, go up first. First go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Service routine. I come later. Go up. Go up. Go up. There is another table in interrupt. This one. Oh, no, no, no. Go up. Go up. Interrupt table. Just find out interrupt table. Interrupt table. Not there.
No, sir.
Okay. Interrupt. Only interrupt. Interrupt is not there.
No.
How is possible? You are given space, I think. After interrupt, there is a space. Just release the space. Backspace. Okay, I check. There is a interrupt table is there. Just I see.
So you're gonna say interrupt cycle, non-maskable interrupt, maskable interrupt programming.
কোথায় আছে সেটা? There should be a big
It is a
table, and you know
135
the
page.
table like that. The interrupt 6 is equal to 2 into n, something like that.
তোমরা কত নাম্বার পেজ বললে?
135.
এখনই কি?
Interrupt programming, that's 133. 133.
just interrupt program, data segment, interrupt service routine. There is a table, interrupt programming, not go down. Not like that.
इसमें टेबल तो नहीं किसी
ওয়েট করো না একটু, তাহলে দাঁড়া, ওয়েট করো, ক্লাসটা হোক তারপরে দেখছি। প্রতিদিনই তো ডাকি। Just see, this is the interrupt. Questions will be coming like interrupt 2, what will be the vector locations? Type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, similar kind of 3. You know, interrupt. Type N. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Everywhere,
Yeah, okay.
everywhere you can know that, 4 into N. 4 into N means type 0. So what will be the starting locations? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4N. N means type. If type 0, so what will be happen? 4 into 0, what will be the result?
0.
0, that's why 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next is 4N plus 2. 4N plus 2, this is nothing but a IP.
Into.
This is nothing but a IP. Next is CS. Is nothing but a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2.
2.
Okay. Next, type 3. Type 3. Type 3. What will be happen? 4N. So what will be the location? 4 into 3, how much?
12.
12. Very good. 12 mean hexadecimal. It's a C.
C.
So type 3 like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, C. Just 3, type 3. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
Yes,
C.
sir.
And for, CS, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
4N plus
E.
2.
Just plus 2.
In
nothing else.
13 plus 2.
Is equal to 50. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14.
14. Yes, sir.
So similar kind of things. These are the vector table. You remember this one. Your questions will be coming like type 7. What will be the ISR IP and ISR CS address. ISR means interrupt service routine. Interrupt service routine. Okay. So what will be the address of interrupt service routine for IP value and CS value? Then the locations you will be calculate like that. Okay.
Hmm.
Is it
Okay.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So similar kind of things we can calculate all the address.
Okay.
Okay. Today up to that,
Okay, sir.
tomorrow I will be explaining you again from what are the others thing is there. There is a minimum mode and maximum mode details diagram.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And in the
Minimum
meantime,
mode, maximum mode.
in the meantime, you should be